Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chanel here, and today I am with another hair tutorial. I'm going to show you how to add these lovely crimps to your hair. I'm currently wearing hair from my hair company, of course, Success by Hair, and I have a 30-inch in right now, so I have 5 bundles of a 30-inch. And you guys, I love full hair. Like, I just like my hair to be thick and full, so I'm always gonna do 4 to 5 bundles. That's just how I prefer my hair to be. You know, how you want to wear yours is how you do yours, but for me, I'm always going to do 4 to 5 bundles. So I have 5 bundles in, and I have a 5x5 closure, and this is a 20 inch. So yeah, I have 5 bundles of a 30-inch and 20-inch 5x5 closure. Okay, so let's just jump straight into this hairstyle. So this is the wig, and this is the 30-inch wig. This was, I can't remember if it was a straight or body wave hair. I think it was straight hair, but I can't remember because this is an old wig, you guys. Like, literally this wig is like 6 months old. So first thing we're gonna do is section off the hair, and that is the key thing to achieving successful crimps. Make sure you section off your hair and make sure that you are crimping in small sections. I only use 2 products to do my crimps, and that is this Tresemme heat protecting spray. If you see any of my other videos, you know that I've used this spray on my natural hair, on my wigs. I love it. And I also use Gots to Be spray. I use these for my frontals and closures, but this free spray works really good to hold the crimps. So I definitely recommend it, and I definitely recommend the heat protecting spray because you're putting a lot of heat on to this wig, hair, whatever you're doing to achieve your crimps. It's gonna require you putting a lot of heat on, because I have my iron on 450. So I'm going to give you guys just a breakdown of exactly what I'm doing. So like I said before, sectioning off is very important. So I'm doing 1 track at a time, and then I'm taking small sections, and I'm holding the crimp for about 10 seconds at the top, and maybe towards the bottom 8 to 5 seconds. But I'm definitely holding it for a good amount of time because I want these crimps to last. I want them to hold really well. So that's what I'm doing. So the crimp iron that I am using is by EAP Heat. And let me just tell you guys why this iron is phenomenal. I have it upside down. I'm sorry, guys. Let me flip it to the right side. So this has like a little hold button in the front, and this hold button is phenomenal because you can just switch it to the hold and it holds the crimp, so you don't have to like be pressing down with your hands, because you know, after a while it definitely hurts your hands. So I would say what is so bomb about this is this hold button. I'm not sure if other crimp irons have this, but this one does, and it is great. Now, I purchased this about, I want to say maybe like 4 or 5 months ago. So I don't really remember the price, but I think I spent a pretty penny. So maybe like $100. I'm not too sure. Either way, I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so you can just go check it out yourself. But I do think I spent $100. If I didn't spend $100, I definitely spent close to it. So maybe $80. But it definitely was worth it. I do my hair a lot, so I definitely invest in the products that I use on my hair. So my flat iron, my curling iron, my crimp irons, I try to get, you know, high quality irons because they just tend to last longer than the ones that you spend $20 or $10 on. Now, don't get me wrong. I have used some $20 flat irons that heat up to 450 and they work, but they don't last long. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. So as you can see, I definitely fast forwarded this video and I'm skipping all over. Well, not really all over, but I'm just not showing you how I'm crimping everything. I just want you guys to get the basics and see how I'm crimping because once again, this is 5 bundles and a closure on top of this hair being 30 inches long. So it's definitely taking me way longer than it would have took if I had 3 or 4 bundles and maybe like a 24 inch or a 26 inch. But overall, I just wanted you guys to see exactly how I crimped. And I'm just trying to let you guys know that the secret to crimping is like when you're holding it down and you move to the next like row under, you basically want to go into the old dent. If I'm explaining it right, I'm not too sure. Basically, you just don't want to go too far down. You want to press back on where you were pressing before when you moved down, the last row. So I hope you guys get that and understand. If not, just really pay attention to the video and see how I'm crimping. It'll definitely show you that after I'm holding it down in one section, I'm moving on to the bottom of the section prior. I think that sounded a little better. This is the final look, and I just love it. Like, these crimps look so good. I'm using some bio silk, and I'm just using a really small amount because a little goes a long way with this. But I always use this anytime I finish my hair. Just it seals everything in. So yeah, I love this look. It's so exotic, I feel. It's a lot of work. It's not as easy and simple as like straightening your hair or curling it, but I definitely do like the look and it can hold for a couple days. That's why you use the Gots to Be spray to help it, help the crimp stay in place. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't done so already, please like this video, give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. So please, if you got to the end of this video, just like it. And if you're not a subscriber already, I don't know what you're doing. You need to hit that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching. And next week, you will see another hair tutorial from me.